Hello guys and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. I decided to do a voiceover and just go ahead and cut the video down and just make it really nice, straightforward and to the point. So what I'm actually getting ready to do in this video is do an unboxing of the sander that is on the pole. Supposed to be a dustless type of sander with a 9-inch disc. It's got 5 speeds. It comes with like 6 discs included. And it's a Velcro type of attachment with like 10 holes type of design. It uses a standard shop vac, so if you have one, great. If you don't, you might need to buy one. I'm going to be using a 16-gallon type of shop vac. But anyways, let's go ahead and put this thing together. The very first thing you're gonna need to do is attach the head of the sander right into the actual, body. It comes with 2 screws already provided and an Allen wrench tool to actually install it in. Once you get it installed, it's going to have, a lot of flexibility. It's gonna go like up and down and stuff like that. Now the tricky part it's going to come in is actually attaching the extension pole to this type of sander. I think the extension pole is completely unnecessary, but since they have it, let me show you exactly how to actually install that little thing. Now there is a little screw you're supposed to tighten, obviously, and then you're going to start inserting this metal pole into the actual machine. The metal pole itself, it's a very cheap type of metal. I think it's a little bit lesser quality than a normal vacuum cleaner type of metal. It's just very light, and I don't know what kind of material it is, but I can tell it is, it's kind of cheap. But that's besides the point. It does go all the way in. You're gonna have to, give it a, few pushes and, like up and down and stuff like that. And then once you actually get it like installed, you could go ahead and start sanding and stuff like that. Now this machine does come with a bag, which is nice. And you're probably wondering, well, how much is it and how much does it cost? This tool is $109 on Amazon, and for those that's interested, if you want to pick this thing up, I'm going to leave a link on my description portion, and you could click on it and you could actually go get it yourself. Now, am I being paid to try to give you guys this little review? No, I'm not. I bought the tool for myself. One of my friends, he recommended me that I actually pick this thing up because he is able to sand the room down without having to wear a mask, and he's not breathing all the dust. So he says give this thing a try, and that's what I did. The very first thing I did is I went and I ordered it. Now there is some expensive models, maybe it's the same brand but it's just sold for more money. I think at 109 bucks you get what you paid for. I do think there's a lot of value in it, but as far as the quality goes, I'm gonna put it in a category of like harbor tool and freight, tools, or possible like a low-end rigid type of tool, or I don't know if I could even say Stanley. But it does feel pretty good in the hands. It's got a comfortable rubber grip where the trigger is, and for you to hold it where the actual body is of the handle. Now the handle itself, the extension pole, it's I don't know. It's like, to me, it's like unnecessary piece. But I guess you must have that. I would like this piece to be a little bit more lighter, and that's probably why this machine, it doesn't feel like that quality, because it is kind of light, but at the same time it's heavy, because when you're gonna be sanding all day and holding this thing up, any kind of weight, it's going to be that much more weight you have to work with. But as far as you could see, guys, and I'm using this thing to sand, I wanted to show you exactly like what's going on. Right now my shop vac is running. We're at speed number 2, and as you could see, it's a very little dust to no dust at all. Now you're seeing me, I'm a little bit dusty right now, and that is because off camera I decided to actually use my regular type of sander with a 5-inch disc. I was trying to compare a 5-inch disc versus a 9-inch disc. The actual sanding speed and the actual quality of the work and the amount of dust. Of course, there's no comparison. Now that sander did come out of the Harbor Tool and Freight, my 5-inch type of sander, It's got a little baggy on it. It's not enough. It's providing so much dust, guys. My room filled up with dust, and I had to wait till the dust settles to, so that I could actually go ahead and review this tool for you guys. But I must say, I do like it. I think for 109 bucks, it's going to provide enough value for you. It's going to speed up your project. And if you got a couple guys working, probably best to just get a couple of these things and put them to work. I think it's definitely going to make your job faster, and I think that's actually what counts. Me working with this thing, I don't have to wear like a mask or nothing, which is good. It does have also a couple lights in there, the LEDs, and they shine, so it's pretty good. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to buy it, just hit an Amazon link and just go there and get yourself one. If you want me to make another video on it, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please hit a like, subscribe, and share this with your friends, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.